So our today's tutorial is on how to draw a corner trim. So select all the planes and click on show, then select front plane and click on sketch. So I'm just drawing the random lines to show you the command how it works. The corner trim. So I'm just here drawing here the random lines, so you can see the arrangement of my lines, so you will get the exact idea about the corner trim. So here select the corner trim command. So I am selecting here. Only you need to select the inside lines to get our corner radius or the corner trim command. So you can also see if I am selecting here the outer lines, then it can trim the inside lines. So how you can use it, this is depend upon you. So this is our command. Thank you.